guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I am here with another vlog. But before we get into this video, I want you to go over to Call Me Kids and subscribe to her YouTube channel. Show her some love and tell her say I just send you. So it's call_me_kids. So just go over there, show her some love, get her to 1K, and tell her say I just send you. Let's get into this video.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Alright guys, so I'm done already. John my little crooks. Cause you know so I dress up can't go on. And I'm ready to go on the road. Yeah. Simple huh?
This kind of too tight.
Okay. Oh. Right, better?
Yeah.
So, you know, simple little shirt, socks, pants. But come on, you see?
Okay.
So come on, you see? But yeah. Just I'm gonna do some little, just nothing too much. Turn on the light. Yeah. So just I'm gonna do some little stuff on the road and come home back. I hate the mask because I feel like me stifle, but you know, it's not for beauty, it's for duty. So yeah. So yeah, I have to wear it. So we're gonna go up on the road together. So come, let's. You have the key? Hey guys, so I'm running on my uncle. You know, look, I'm gonna see my uncle. Uncle David. Say hi.
Hi, guys.
So where y'all gonna do? Bye.
Bye, guys.
You want me to cut you? Okay, bye guys. Yeah, alright, go. Girl, it's crazy to leave us run. I'm gonna put up my phone cause I can't run.
Go for the car.
Alright guys, so I'm home. Finally. Never get for wait, let me lean. So I never get to record too much on the road because it was raining very hard. Like it did a fall bad. So yeah, I didn't get to record anything. But whilst on the road, I woke up in my uncle when I see but 1 year now. And the last time I saw him, we never did like talk for like not even 20 minutes good. So yeah, that felt good. No, I like we talk because it was a funeral, but a long time I didn't see him. So yeah, I see him. Favorite uncle, by the way, we just not communicate no more. So yeah, that felt good. I met Aunt Marnie. Yeah. Never get to record long again as me said because Rain did a drew and would Jason and him did like a talk for most of the time. So yeah, that took place. I bought another kitchen mat because I really want a kitchen mat, and I bought some patties because we didn't eat anything. So I'm gonna eat one of these. A 3 leave back. Oh baby, you ate 2. Yeah. So I'm gonna eat 1, and them still hot. So yeah, mega just. I mean, this is the vlog here not even long, but I'm gonna make some juice. I have beetroot, cherry, cherry, beetroot, and carrot. So yeah, not end the vlog up. I'm not end the vlog yet. So I'm gonna just eat this and come back. Never feel patty. So I only ate half of it. I ate half. So I'm gonna eat that mango here. Right here, so it look weird. So I'm just cut it off. Alright guys, so after I ate that mango, I went straight on live And after live, I fell asleep. I was so tired. So this vlog is all over the place, but I hope you enjoy it, guys. Good morning, guys. So I went on live. Fish. I went on live yesterday, and after that, I just got sleep. So may I finish up the vlog today. It's Sunday. Happy Sunday.
Happy Sunday.
Bye.
Bye bye.
So it's Sunday, and I did a edit, so I never like turn on the camera or nothing to like finish up the vlog. But pizza pressure, yeah. And when I remember the fish one I did buy, me and Kimona did buy. Well, I'm gonna do them today. So nice. I'm gonna show now. Them look so good. Just clean them up with vinegar and Sybil orange because I don't have any lime. So yeah. So everything what I did have planned for yesterday when I came home, them cancel until now, until today. So alright guys, so I'm back in the kitchen. I did have to wait because the man come to cut the yard. You know how long the yard to cut? But yeah, so I'm gonna start my dinner now. Sunday dinner. And I'm gonna make some juice. So I'm gonna make beetroot and carrot, and I'm gonna make cherry, ginger, and pineapple. This is the pineapple. So yeah. Just kidding. So I'm gonna make, I think I'm gonna make the carrot and the beetroot with milk and guineas probably, and the cherry and pine with ginger. Me personally, I don't like juice with milk. Me not like it none at all. Like if you're gonna give me soursop, carrot, anything at all, just put some lime in there and give it to me. But you know, I'm gonna make two types, so gonna just make one milky and one with ginger. Put in some oil in the pot. Well seasoned, looks so good. Alright, so I finished my juice. So these are the pineapple, cherry, and ginger. These are the beetroot, nutmeg, dragon, and milk. So yeah, this is all I got. So this are my type of juice. This me love them here. Me not like juice with milk. So Jason gonna drink this because Jason love these type of juice. And well, both of we are gonna drink it, but me know me are gonna drink this. This I'm sad because this can hold in the fridge. I'm already adjusted for fit something already, so I can't trouble it. So this have to just stay out Nice little jug. I love it, you see? This not normally work for me because I don't mix up juice. Like if I throw juice and something settle at the bottom, I don't like mix it up. I don't mix it up. I just like chew off it. I feel proud of myself. Could I? Oh, cheese. Yeah, so I go back to the cooking now. Alright, so I just prepare everything for the fish. Now I go cook down the fish them now. Woo! Oh, and these are sweet potato. I know some people are gonna say sweet potato, that's weird. But me love sweet potato when I cook down fish. So if you don't like it, then don't use it. You can use like Irish. You know, normal Irish, but I love this in my fish. The ginger did I hide. I normally grate a little piece of ginger and put inside of it. Gives it a nice flavor. So you can try it. If you never normally put ginger in it, you can just try it just a little bit. Tastes so good. Gives it a nice flavor. Alright, so the same pot that I used to fry the fish, I just throw some of the oil and I'm gonna cook down the fish in it. Some people normally like wash out the pot, but me not wash out my flavor. Me want my flavor to stay in it. And I just put up some of the oil in the container here. This is what I keep my oil in, so I can use it another time. So, me make them go and fry. You know, to get a little flavor out of it before I add any water. So yeah, it smells so good, guys. When I said the fish there, right, that's how I pick out. I'm going to do it. I could do it. It smells so good. Woo! Alright, guys, so this is it. My escabeche. What's your wet name? Escabeche. Escabeche. Okay, alright, my fish. My fish. Smells so good, guys. So make this go and cook down some more. I need to put all of the vegetables on top because I don't like them soft. I like when it's crunchy and nice. Alright, dinner is ready. Woo! That's so good. Yeah, that's all for today. Babe, what kind of juice you want? Beetroot or pineapple? With the cherry? Pineapple. Okay. So yeah, this is what I made today. Fish smells good. Rice, nice. You know what me pick out right there so you have to taste it. Woo! Dinner is served by me, Chef Andra. With some pineapple and cherry and ginger juice there. Yes, and the plate full because my boyfriend eat enough, especially on Sunday. So yeah, nice. I can just open my restaurant right now. I need to open my restaurant. Look at that, man. Oh my God. Marry me.
Oh, what that?
Alright, so I think I'm gonna end off the video right here because me tired. First of all, me make how much bottle of juice, right? I know me I gonna eat and me tired. And I know so when me finish, I just gonna play some game and relax. Oh, I gonna have comments to reply to. So by the time I put up this, the video go already up on my channel. So yeah, I'm gonna post a video right now and relax. You see me I sweat? Because, you know, I'm the chef. What a way did I go help me cook today? Yeah, so I'm gonna end off the video right here, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this little vlog. You know, thanks for the support. Road to 50k. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you're there a long time, thanks for your chat the journey with me. Bye, guys.